Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to export your designs and design assets, especially when you have multiple designs like I do on my screen, how you can export them in few clicks. Yes, in few clicks, in few steps, how you can export them maybe as PNG, JPG, PDF, GIF, and any other formats. In this tutorial, I'll be using two methods. And at the end of the day, I'm going to tell you which method I prefer. And in case you've not subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you subscribe, and you can like this video, and you can also share this video with your friends, especially some of them who are designers. So let's go into the video. I have a couple of these designs, and I really want to export them, and I want to export them collectively. I don't want to export them individually. So all I need to do is go to export. In case you don't have these exports in your sidebar, let me close mine. All I'm going to do is come to Windows, come to Dockers here, and make sure this export is checked. After making sure that it is checked, it's going to give you this pane. So let me change my designs back to single page view. Let's say I have come back to my page one. Let's say in this first design, let me go back to page one. Okay, that's not working. Okay, now that has worked. I want to export this. Go back to my export again. I want to export this page one as a JPG file. All I just need to click this add new button. It's down here. Make sure you click it. It's going to add it to the tray. So let's say this page 2 design, I want to export it as a PNG. Yes, I'm going to select this and check PNG. I'm also going to click on add new, and let's say page 3, I want to save it as a PDF. Instead, I'm going to select it and go to PDF. You see, this method only has 4 formats: GIF, JPG, PNG, and PDF. I'm going to select PDF and also click on add new. That always takes a while for PDF to work. So let's wait till it gets added to the tray. And let's say I have all those 3 designs already. And let's say in this first design, all I want is this logo instead. I don't want to export the whole design. That's the beauty of this method. You select everything, Ctrl G, and then click on add also. It's going to give you a group of 3 objects, since there are 3 objects. And then you can also add your suffixes. You can add your suffix there. Yes, you can. In case you want to change your mind about this PNG, I want to change it, you can always click on this drop down and select any other format you want. Let's say aside this page one, aside it being a JPG, I also want to export it as a PNG. Let me select PNG, and I'm going to click on add new. It's going to add it to this string. You can see the first one is a JPG file, the second one is a PNG file, and you can also rename these files also. That's the beauty of this method. Let's say page 1, I want to rename it as crypto. You want to give it a name, crypto, and click on OK. It's going to automatically change the name to crypto. And you want to add, let's say you want to add a suffix, like, okay, oh, there's a suffix. I want to use this for web, and I want to use this for print, so that I can tell my clients which one to use. I can just add print. I can add my suffix to them. Let's say this page 2, I want to change it to gift card. Rename page, and let's say gift card. Okay, it's going to automatically get changed here. And also, let's say maybe a friend of mine just needs some of my design assets, and I want to send this whole design assets to him. Instead of sending him, let's say this whole group of objects, let's say I want to send it to him in both PDF and PNG methods. You can also do it. Just select that design. Let me go back. Let me Ctrl Z, and let's say I want to first of all pick it as a PNG file. I'm going to click on add, and I also want to add it as a PDF file. Let me select PDF and add that to this tray. So when I'm done, I've selected all the designs, I've selected the assets in the formats that I want. I'm going to click on export all. It's going to bring where do you want to save them to. let's say I want to save them to my desktop. Let me pick an empty folder. Which one can I pick? Yes, let me pick this folder, and I'll click select folder. It's going to take a while, and when it is done, we'll be able to scroll around our screen, and I'll show all of them to you. Everything is exporting. So let me open that folder. Let's say desktop, and it's this folder. So it's still exporting some of them. I think we are still expecting 2 designs. It's still loading. Okay, another one is here. Yeah, they are done. So as you can see, sorry about this, these are all the designs that we've exported. So this is the logo in PDF formats, the crypto prints, PNG, crypto web, JPG, this group of objects in PDF, this group of objects in PNG, this gift card image, and this one as a PDF. It's going to help you set it out. That's the beauty of this method. The reason why I really like it is that it allows you to change the names for your files. Yes, to name them properly, and also it allows you to save it in a format that is quite that is quite dynamic. Maybe you just want PDF, PNG, JPG, everything all together. You can do that. In this second one, I actually always prefer the second method, where especially when I have let's say a design for a certificate, and most of the designs for certificate that I do is I do it for a lot of people. Let me just open one of my certificate files, which is quite voluminous. So let's say I have the certificate. Let me open this. Okay, I have this couple of certificates that I really want to export. There are like 50 of them. Sometimes I can have as much as 200, but for this tutorial, let's stick to 50 certificates. And I really want to export them. This method actually supports, the second method actually supports a wide variety of formats. Unfortunately, it does not support PDF. Yes, it's just so unfortunate that it doesn't support PDF. So for PDF, I do another thing to make to convert it to PDF. Let's say I have this couple of documents. There are like 50 of them. I have like 50 of them. Let me go to the last page. I have like 50 of them, and I want to export them collectively. All I need to do is come to Tools, come to Scripts, here, and click on Run Scripts. After I click on Run Scripts, it's going to bring this. So in this macro in, I have a couple of macros here. So I'll use file converter. Yes, file converter.gms. That's you want to convert a file. Click it and click on Run. It's going to bring this. Let me drag it to the screen. Source, destination, convert to. So let's say for instance, I want to pick my source folder. Let me select my source folder. Even you can, and the beauty, I think you can also do this without actually opening the file. You can do this without actually opening the file. So click on your source and come to where your document is. sorry, it's quite it's okay. This certificate is going to list all the documents in that folder, but you can also filter it as, okay, I only want the CDR file. In case you have a lot of document format and you want to pick a CDR file, you can always click it that, okay, I only want to pick this particular file. And you can also search for subfolders in case you have a subfolder in that folder. This is the document I want to select, College of Medicine. I'm going to add. In case you have other files that you want to select, let me also select. That's going to take a while, but let me also select another one. These others, I think the certificates, they are like 30 something or so. Let's say I'm going to add that one also. Now I have two documents and I'm going to click on OK. After that, it's going to ask for your destination folder. Click on destination and click on, okay, I want to save it to where? Let me save it here. You are going to select where you want it saved. Let's say this folder that I already created. I'm going to click OK. It's going to ask you convert to what? This is where it gets very interesting. So let's say you want to convert to Adobe Illustrator, CDR template. It's lists a lot: BMP, CDR, CDT, CGS, CPT, CMX, DXF. But that's not what we want. All I need is JPG format. Okay, let me do JPG format. In this method, it can only save to one particular format. So you can click on advanced in case you want to change a lot of things, progressive. You want to change some things there. Let's say compression. I don't want it to compress. Let me just increase it. Image size to 134 kilobytes. Okay, I need this. I like this. And click on OK. And then it's going to ask you to save each page as a separate file. Yes, it is going to give you, let's say your file is file name underscore 1. It's going to add an hyphen and add 1 to it. So let's select that. So replace the original file, color profile, convert text to curve. In case you want to convert text to curve, but I'm not going to do that. So I can also change these page properties also. But let me also change it, by the way, but it's not compulsory that I do that. Let's say my page size, I want it in A4. Yeah, it's in the landscape, units, millimeters, resize page. So background color, I don't want any background color. My resolution, let me bump it to 300. You can set your width and height, but I'm not going to do that. Maintain aspect ratio until it has in color mode, either RGB or CMYK or any other color mode that you have. And when you click on convert, so it's converting them already. So it will take you a while. So I'm going to pause this video now until I'm done. Yes, because it can take a while. I have a lot of pages, close to 80 something pages. So I'll pause this video now. Sorry, I just figured that this video is going to take a while. So I'll just pick over it and I'm going to stop this conversion at the end. So like I said, this method, all you can use it to do is to use it for, let's say, in a single format. You want to save all your documents in a single format. You have multiple documents. Let me put it that way: multiple documents with multiple pages, and you want to save them as a single format. Let's say JPG or PNG or any other format like that. So I opened it and I figured that it's going to take a while, probably because of the setting I picked. So for now, it has done just 8 of them. And I don't think for it for me to be done with every one of them close to 80 something pages, that's going to take a while. So I'm going to be stopping this video at this point. I hope you've been able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video, so that you don't do your exporting in an old-fashioned format. Let me put it that way. The beauty of this method is it allows you to automate things and then get things done faster. This is very good. I'm a logo designer. I always use this in my workflow. Let's say I have designed everything to get. I've designed all that I have to design. I really want to pick, especially the first method. I want to save those documents as either JPEG, JPG, PNG, PDF, and the likes. It makes it very easy for me. So thank you, and I hope that you subscribe to this channel, and then you've you can also like this video. I really appreciate, as it allows this video to get a maximum reach. And I hope to see you next time. And sayonara.